Design hack. So I'm going to show you how to use grids and rulers in Canva. And the importance of grids and rulers is that it helps you get precise alignment within your designs. So what you're going to do is in your blank template, you're going to go in here and in the templates box, you're going to search grids. So I have the pro version of Canva, but what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down till we find a blank one with your basic grid as a template design, and you're just going to click it. This has 5 pages, so I'm just going to click one. I'm going to click the first one and it'll load everything for you. But this is how you use the grids and the rulers. What you want to do is you just want to go in and start deleting everything. So you're just going to click and delete. And what it leaves you with is this grid background right here, and you're allowed to move it as you like. So to use it effectively, I'm going to push it down and I'm going to go into the artboard and make it white. And now I'm going to click on the grid and move it to how I would like it. So I'm just going to line it up with the page, and these arrows over here will make it smaller or bigger, but I'm just going to line it right on up with the page. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the transparency or the opacity to 15 to 20%. That way it keeps it nice and light. So what you want to do when using these grids and rulers, this really helps keep everything nice and aligned. So to show you, I'm going to just subload some text. We're going to make it bigger so you all can see. And what this does is you can line it up right with your lines on the grid or the ruler, and this makes designing so much easier and it makes it look clean and precise. So I'm going to show you this in action. So I have this text selected. I have a Mac, so Command C and then Command V. And now we have 2 texts, and we're going to line them up. So now as you can see, they're all aligned together. So when we're done with the grid or the ruler, we're going to simply click it and delete. And now everything lines up precisely, and now your designs are aligned and intact.